This is off the bike, so it was bolted there and there to the little bar that went across for the transducers, with the return there, and it was higher, and these studs were in here with the coils mounted at the front. What I've done is made it so I can turn it around the other way. I've got some riv nuts on the way, but in the meantime I've just arrowdited some knocking nuts on the back, moved the studs to the front to forward holes, and I now have the return at the back. I've taken some height off so I can get to things and put another ledge there, and that's where my earth post will be when I put the wiring on the motorbike. Like with my Gorelli, I've run an earth back to a central point from the lights, the rear, etc, etc. So the next adaptation, as I will say in a separate bit, I've turned it around, so instead of this return sticking out, and instead of the plate sticking in front of the bar, it's now behind the bar with the return at the back. I have just got enough clearance between it and the mudguard. The difficulty bit was getting the nuts on the back, because I couldn't get the bolts to stick through this way, the bolts. I've ordered some riv nuts, so eventually I will take this plate off again, fit some riv nuts, and then it'll be captive. I tried gluing nuts on the back, which worked okay to hold it long enough to get this bolt in, but then it came loose. On the front one, let's see, in there, I managed to get my fingers around the back to put a nut on the back, so it's attached. At the top, I now have a thick piece of wire going to the battery. So this is my earth post with all my earths running back to it. And the coils are back on with the wiring back on. And bear with. And now it's just touching against the cables here, but the side panel fits on without rubbing against the coils. So on the rear light of my Morini, it all looks okay, and I'm guessing it's a modern reproduction, and like a lot of the ones you see on the internet that are cheap enough to buy, they have this plastic white reflector in, and instead of one twin filament bulb, they have a single filament bulb for the brake light and a festoon bulb for the tail light, and the festoon bulb shines nicely through the number plate bit. But what I'm finding is, because it's cheap, these little brass tabs don't hold on to the festoon bulb very well, and of course it's quite rare to find festoon bulbs in garages rather than twin filament bulbs. So on the lovely eBay I found a couple of these very cheap that you can put a twin filament bulb in, so I can have a tail and a stop light. I'm just wiring up the wires so it can have the same connector, and I've put a bit of shrink wrap on so I can colour code it to the existing connector. I was going to use a little rubber grommet, but what I think I'm going to have to do, bear with, is make a little, I think out of TPU, again my favourite printing material, is make a little adapter so it'll be round there. It'll have a circle with the notch cut out for the wire there, so that when this pushes in, it'll be a tight fit in there and it will just fit. I can clock it so the filaments are the right way round, maybe that way, so the tail light filament is shining down at the number plate, and the inside of there is silver, so I won't bother with the other bit. We'll just have that bit. I've just seen I can actually make a plate, can't I, with the 3 holes there, with a circle round there. I can print a plate out just to hold it in place. The soft TPU in there, so there's a bit of elasticity. The harder TPU to make a plate over there just to hold it in place, and that will then become my rear tail light. There we go, final iteration. Retaining disc holds the bulb holder in place with the TPU bit behind. The wiring, I need to tidy it up. Bit of rubber over the connections and then just push behind the lamp. I'm going to take this off and cover it in tin foil. I was thinking of spraying it silver, but I think tin foil, and then I'll put that back on. And there we go, tin foil on the disc and tail light illuminated and brake light illuminated. That looks nice and bright. One bulb in there, tail light, brake light, lovely.